If you've been waiting for the Huntsville Madison County market to calm down, this is your moment. The frenzy is over. The math is back. And if you use it, you win. You're in the right place if you want the real story on Q3. I'm Steve Stinson, a realtor with Keller Williams for over 20 years here in Huntsville and Madison County. In the next few minutes, you'll see exactly what the numbers say, what they mean for your sale or purchase, and how to play it smart right now. Here's the snapshot. From July through September 1961, homes sold across Madison County, almost identical to last year's 1970. That's steady demand in the face of higher rates. The median sales price landed at $330,000, down about 2% year over year from $336,995. That's not a crash. That's a gentle correction after the pandemic surge. Inventory finished the quarter at 2427 homes, which is down 8% from last year. Days on market stretched to 51, the longest since 2018, so buyers have time to breathe, but good homes still move. 16% of properties sold above list and 36% sold below. Translation, pricing, and presentation decide your outcome. If you're selling, treat this like a strategic market, not a sprint. Overpricing gets punished fast. Buyers are choosier, and they have more options and better data, but they'll still compete for the right home. The winners right now are clean, well-prepped properties with sharp pricing and professional marketing. That's where you see those above asking results. If you tried to sell and your home came off the market, it doesn't mean it won't sell. It means the strategy didn't match today's conditions. Align price, presentation, and promotion, and you'll catch the buyers who are still active today. Let's talk segments, because they're not all moving the same way. New construction is still flexing, about a third of all closings. The $350,000 to $500,000 range is leading activity, and the luxury tier over $800,000 is growing the fastest, up 15% from last year. That tells you demand didn't disappear, it redistributed. If you're in a popular school zone or you've done the right updates, you can still generate multiple offers. If you're in a more price-sensitive pocket, you need to meet the market head-on and make your home the easy yes. If you're buying, this is the best balance we've seen in years. Rates hovering around the mid-sixes, prices easing a touch, and more inventory. Those three together improve your leverage. You can negotiate, you can inspect, you can actually compare homes, but don't confuse balance with a free-for-all. The best listings, think Madison City Schools, Blossomwood, Hampton Cove, and Monrovia, still attract strong interest. When the right one hits, move decisively with a complete offer and clean terms. That's how you win the good ones without overpaying. The big mindset shift for everyone is simple. We've moved from frenzy to focus. The market will reward precision. Sellers who price to the market and dial in the presentation will protect their equity. Buyers who prepare, watch the micro markets, and quickly on the standouts will land better homes without the chaos. If you're considering a move this year, let's cut through the headlines and build your strategy around today's numbers. If you have questions, drop them in the chat. I'm Steve Stinson with Keller Williams Realty, serving Huntsville and Madison County. Schedule a quick 20-minute strategy call with the link in the description, or call or text me at 256-652-2316. We'll look at your timeline, your neighborhood, and your options, so you can make a confident move in Madison County right now.